So the bond is formed between the non-metal by sharing of electron. Then you have to learn this table for sharing, and then I will explain how the sharing occurs. Group number, electron in the last shell,
Mr. Ionic bond is from two metal and non-metal.
no, between metal and non-metal. If one of the element is a metal and the other element is a non-metal, then it will have ionic bond. But if one of element is a metal and another element is a non-metal, then it will be ionic. But if both elements are non-metals, then it will have a covalent bond. So non-metals are group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7. Group 8 is there, but group 8 does not form a bond. That's why I did not include that. Number of electron in the last shell. The group number shows the number of electron in the last shell. This will have 4 electron in the last shell. This will have 5. This will have 6. And this will have 7. Better, I will write group number in Roman. So group 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number of electron in the last shell. For group 4, it is 4 electron. Group 5, 5 electron. Group 6, 6 electron. And group 7, having 7 electron in the outermost shell or last shell. Shared electron. How many it will share? So they will always try to complete octet, because I told you non-metal will complete octet. Octet means 8 electrons. So if there are 4 electrons in the last shell, how many it need to complete octet? If there are 4 electrons already, and how many it required to complete octet? It required 4 electrons to complete octet. So number of electron which it will share is equals to 4. Same thing, number of electrons out of 5, how many it will share to complete octet? Octet means 8. So it will share 3, because 5 plus 3 makes it 8. If group 6 is there, how many electron it will share to complete octet? It will share 2 electrons to complete octet. And the last one, it's 7. So it will share one electron to complete octet. So the term octet means to have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. 4 are already there. So it will share 4. Then how many will be unshared? Unshared means the difference between the number of electron in the last shell. So electron in the last shell and it is sharing, if there are 4 electrons and it share all 4 of them, how many will be unshared? It will be 0. If 5 electrons are there and out of 5 it shared 3, so how many unshared will be there? 2. If 6 are there, it shared 2, how many unshared will be there? 4. If 7 are there and it shared 1, so how many unshared are there? 6. So the difference between, so there are, this table is very important. You will understand how this table can be used. But the first thing is you should learn that if it's an element of a group 4, it will have 4 electrons in the last shell, and out of 4, it will share all of them, and there will be no unshared electron. If it's group 5, it will have 5 electrons in the outermost shell to complete octet. Out of 5, it will share 3, so unshared will be 2. If it's group 6, it will have 6 electrons in the outermost shell, it will share 2, and unshared, the difference between the electron in the last shell and unshared, the shared one will give you unshared. So 6 minus 2 will give you 4. And for group 7, there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell, and it will, out of 7, it will share 1. And unshared will be 6. Take a screenshot, then I will explain how you will use this table to complete the covalent structure or covalent bond between the non-metals. Example, how to identify the type of the bond, and then I will draw the structure of covalent bond. Because 2 minutes left, so it will not be sufficient to explain how covalent bond is formed. That's why next I will share another link and explain. So how to identify the type of compound or type of bonding? If it is metal and non-metal, then it will be ionic. And if it is non-metal with non-metal, covalent. If it is metal alone or metal plus metal, then it will be metallic bond. So metal alone or metal and metal, then it will be metallic. I'll share another link once this will end.